to this mindfulness practice, we'll explore how paying attention to the body can help us cultivate awareness and reduce stress. Please find a comfortable seated or lying position with your back supported. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your feet touching the ground. Notice any sensations in your seat and allow yourself to settle. Bring your attention to your body, starting at the crown of your head. Notice any sensations, feeling, temperature, or pressure. Are there any areas that feel tense or relaxed? Allow these observations without judgment. Notice how you're sitting, whether your shoulders are up by your ears or if your hands are resting on your lap. Where do you feel the weight of your body most prominently? Is it in your lower back, your hips, or your knees? Bring awareness to any areas where tension might reside, perhaps in the face, neck, or jaw. As you inhale, imagine fresh energy entering these areas. As you exhale, allow any tension to release. Now, notice how your body responds to movement. If you're sitting, gently sway from side to side without leaning forward. Allow your spine to lengthen and feel the connection between your seat and the ground. If you're lying down, subtly rock from side to side. As we continue, allow yourself to focus on the physical sensations in your body rather than getting caught up in thoughts about them. When your mind wanders, and it probably will, notice that's what's happening without judgment. Think of this as doing a bicep curl for your brain. You're strengthening your awareness muscle by acknowledging when you've drifted. Bring to mind the phrase, just this, not more. Repeat it to yourself as we continue. Welcome to this mindfulness practice, where we'll cultivate greater awareness of our bodily sensations and experiences. Please find a comfortable seated or lying down position with your eyes closed. Let's begin by bringing attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground or the surface beneath you. Notice the weight distribution, any sense of pressure, or even just a gentle resting sensation. Allow yourself to simply observe these sensations without judgment or trying to change them in any way. As you breathe in, allow the breath to move into the soles of your feet. As you exhale, imagine any tension or holding dissolving from the feet upwards through the legs and torso. Repeat this process a few times, noticing how it feels in the body. Now bring your attention to your posture. Notice the way your spine is aligned, the position of your shoulders, and the sense of engagement or relaxation in the muscles. Allow yourself to release any unnecessary tension and settle into a more relaxed yet alert posture. As we continue, I want you to notice when your mind starts to wander, not because it's wrong, but simply because it's natural. When this happens, acknowledge that thought as a bicep curl for the brain, working to strengthen awareness with each repetition. Gently return attention to the body, perhaps focusing on a specific sensation or area of discomfort. Next, bring to mind any areas of tension or holding in your body. This might be a familiar pattern of tightness, an injury site, or even just a spot that feels slightly off balance. Allow yourself to approach this area with kindness and curiosity, rather than judgment or criticism. Imagine the sensation of this area as if it were a gentle wave rising and falling on a shore. As we conclude, take a moment to notice how your body feels now compared to when you began. Notice any shifts in tension or relaxation, perhaps even just a slight sense of release. Take one final deep breath into the soles of your feet, and when ready, slowly open your eyes. Let's settle in with some stillness. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Find a comfortable seated position, or lie down if that feels more supportive for you right now. Allow your eyes to gently close, but don't worry if they drift open. We're not trying to control the mind here. We're simply cultivating awareness of the present moment. Bring your attention to your physical body. Start with your toes. Feel the weight and sensation in them as they touch the ground or a cushion. Gradually work your way up through your feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, hips, lower back, upper back, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and finally, head. As you scan each part of your body, notice any sensations that arise: tension, relaxation, numbness, or perhaps a faint buzzing. Don't try to change these sensations. Simply acknowledge them as they are in this moment. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. Feel the sensation of the air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving through your mouth or nose. If your mind starts to wander, and it likely will, gently acknowledge that you've drifted away and return your focus to the sensation of the breath. Remember, this isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about learning to notice when your attention has wandered. That in itself is a sign of growth and increased awareness. Notice how your body responds to the sensation of the breath moving through it. Does it relax a little? Do you feel more present or grounded? Or perhaps your mind starts to wander again, replaying events from earlier in the day or worrying about the future. It's okay if your mind wanders. That's what minds do. The goal here is not to achieve some sort of mystical state or blank mind, but rather to develop greater awareness and acceptance of the present moment as it is. As you continue to breathe in and out, bring your attention back to the sensation of each part of your body. one by one. Allow yourself to settle deeper into stillness with each exhalation, letting go of any tension or resistance that arises. Remember, the goal isn't to achieve some sort of perfect state. It's simply to be present and aware in this moment as best you can. Take a deep breath in and out, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking with you the awareness and presence that you've cultivated during this practice.